Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we'll take a look at the Japanese yen because on the euro currency we haven't got yet the pattern that we have discussed. So this is not yet the brand body, it's not yet the double repo retracement has started on the euro, but it doesn't provide yet acceptable setup for taking the position. Meantime, on other currencies, we have a lot of interesting setups. So today we will talk on the Japanese yen. So we continue our discussion that we have started yesterday. Also, guys, we have the Canadian dollar double repo in progress on the daily chart. If you remember this pattern, so our destination point, so halfway has been passed. Right now, it's market coming to 124.50 area. This is will be our destination point. This is also scenario that we have when we're trading it. And those of you guys who still would like to take the part in trading in some European countries, European currencies, so take a look at the Swiss franc. So recall what we have discussed on the Swiss franc. Mostly it has the same situation in the euro, but it's a bit it has a bit more clarity. So clearer patterns are forming there. And for example, on the forward time frame chart here, at least by letter, we have the double repo buy, and it has been confirmed. So you can see perfect thrust down, very strong thrust. Close above the 3x3, close below and creating the new lows, close above again. So that's in fact double repo buy that stands in progress. So if it will work, the target will be 50% resistance of the whole thrust down. That's the destination of the double repo. But as usual, I just have to warn you that this also could be double repo failure. That is also the directional pattern. In this case, market should continue move down. In general, we're expecting that the Swiss franc market probably should continue action because take a look, we haven't completed patterns that we have discussed previously. So we have the ABCD, we have the butterfly. So if double repo will work here, it will be just temporary retracement here. But at my point of view, the more interesting setup we have on the Japanese yen. So yesterday we have talked a lot about this brand body trade. So it's a bit not ordinary because market has shown deep retracement right to the 618 support. Usually brand body starts from the some high levels, 3 or 50%. But here we have the pattern that takes starting point at the 618, but in all other moments it's absolutely normal. So we have the first up, 1, 2, 3 closes below the 3x3, market has hit the major support. Now as you can see, market already has started this reaction on this level, so upward bounce has started, and here we have to recall our trading plan. We said that we need to watch for our time frame chart what we will get here. And if we will get the brand body sell, we will trade it isolatedly, so independently. Right now, as you can see, we have brand body sell because from this first down, within the one close above the 3x3, market has reached a major fib level. Okay, it means that here we will get some retracement down. Our target of this pattern will be approximately 1080 area. You will see it on hourly chart a bit later. Another important moment that we have here is the bearish stop grabber has been formed here. With this candle, market wasn't able to shift trend bullish, has formed the grabber. All other action, all other candle stands inside the range of this candle. That's why the grabber is still valid. It will be erased only if market will take it out of this top. Grabber by itself suggests the taking out of these lows. So it means that market could drop here even below these lows. And as a result, we could get some probably maybe bullish pattern will be formed or something of that sort. We do not know yet. Maybe this dropping will just erase this pattern. This is also possible. But right now, this is the secondary moment for us. In general, the daily picture right now, although it's a major background for trading, but it's a bit secondary because we said since this is too deep and too fast retracement down, it needs more more support from some patterns, reversal patterns. We need more bullish sign to be formed that will let us to take the long position. And we said that that's why we need to watch for some bullish reversal pattern here. If we will get it, we will try to trade the daily pattern. If we will not get it, we will not trade it. That's why primary object of today's session, guys, for us, this is double bread and butter sell on the 4-hour time frame chart. It could become the just first step in the trading of the daily pattern. You could call it in any manner. So, but if you're a scalp trader, you could trade it just separately as the isolated pattern. It's also acceptable approach. Anyway, we have the pattern in place, and right now is a nice moment for trying to take the position based on this pattern, because on the hourly chart that will be the minimum target. It's 110.80, but keep in mind the grabber here, right? So it's just taking out of these lows. That's why when the market will reach this target, you could move your stop to the break even and take the half of the profit and rest the one. Move your stop to the break even and wait what will happen when the market will take it out of this lows. Here, market has formed some minor bearish grabber, as you can see, and a starting move down. So that could take the shape of some kind of the ABCD pattern that will lead market to completion of this bread and butter trade. When this bread and butter trade will be completed, after that we start to watch for possible pattern and trying to understand whether we will be able to trade this setup in the daily chart. But right now, let's focus on the 4-hour time frame chart because it's a really nice setup. Could bring us very fast result in today's session, and after that we will see what will happen.